Imagine biting into a hot, cheesy, perfectly baked pizza with the crust just the right amount of crispy, the sauce tangy and rich, and the toppings bursting with flavor. Ever stopped to wonder how such culinary perfection is achieved, not just in one kitchen, but in millions of homes every single day? How do factories manage to create such massive volumes of pizza with such consistent quality and irresistible taste? That question alone has captured the curiosity of countless food lovers around the globe. It's not just a matter of mixing ingredients and throwing them into an oven. Behind every box of frozen pizza sitting in a grocery store freezer is an iron's tale of engineering precision, culinary science, and cutting-edge automation. This is the hidden world of industrial pizza production, a journey that transforms humble ingredients into a universally loved dish that defines comfort food. To truly understand how pizza reaches our tables in such vast numbers, we first need to appreciate its roots. The story of pizza is ancient, yet ever-evolving. While modern pizza originated in Naples, Italy, as early as the 18th century, its ancestors go much further back in time. Ancient civilizations like the Greeks, Egyptians, and Romans all had versions of flatbreads, topped with herbs, oils, and cheeses. These early iterations were rudimentary but carried the basic idea of what we recognize as pizza today. The real revolution, however, came with the introduction of the tomato to Europe from the Americas. Once Neapolitans began adding tomato to their flatbreads, the dish took on an entirely new life. One of the most iconic creations, the pizza margherita, is believed to have been made in 1889 to honor Queen Margherita of Savoy. Its simple yet symbolic toppings, red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basil representing the colors of the Italian flag, quickly became legendary. As Italian immigrants carried their culinary traditions around the world, pizza became a global phenomenon. Today, it's no longer just a dish, it's a billion-dollar industry with countless regional twists and innovations. But while your favorite neighborhood pizzeria might make pizzas one by one, large-scale production is a whole different game. It starts in a factory, a place where food science and industrial technology collide to create millions of pizzas, all while preserving the essence of what makes pizza so universally adored. The process begins with the very heart of any pizza: dough. This isn't just any dough. At the factory, massive industrial mixers prepare it using carefully measured ingredients: high-quality flour, water, yeast, sugar, and salt. This mixture is stirred under strict conditions to achieve a consistency that is soft, elastic, and ready for transformation. Once mixed to perfection, the dough is transferred to an automatic divider. Here, it's portioned into uniform dough balls that ensure consistency in every single pizza-based dot. From there, the dough balls make their way through a rolling system. Machines flatten them into perfectly round crusts, or sometimes squares or rectangles, depending on the pizza type. Each piece is calibrated with laser-like precision. Some crusts may go through a pre-baking phase, especially in the case of flatbreads, where the dough is heated just enough to create structure before the next steps. It's a mesmerizing process where every stage is synchronized like clockwork. Now comes the soul of the pizza: the sauce. Factories don't rely on canned alternatives. Instead, they use proprietary recipes crafted from vine-ripened tomatoes, harvested at their peak. These tomatoes are blended with a mix of spices and herbs: oregano, garlic, basil, and more, creating a sauce that's both tangy and aromatic. Machines then step in, ensuring that each crust gets an even, consistent spread of this delicious mixture. The uniformity isn't just for looks. It ensures that every bite delivers that familiar, comforting flavor. Following the sauce is the cheese step that brings the pizza closer to its final form. Factories typically use a blend of mozzarella and other specialty cheeses that melt beautifully and brown evenly in the oven. The cheese is distributed across the surface with careful precision, maintaining the balance between richness and chewiness that pizza lovers crave. Don't come the toppings, which can vary dramatically depending on the type of pizza being produced. Conveyor belts move the crusts under hoppers that dispense toppings like pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, olives, and even pineapple. Each topping is added according to set recipes, but some factories also allow for adjustments based on orders and trends. It's here that pizza takes on its personality: bold and spicy, earthy and savory, or vibrant and fresh. Once all the ingredients are in place, the pizzas are moved into a long, tunnel-like oven, an engineering marvel that's calibrated down to the second. These ovens bake the pizzas under high heat, giving the crust that golden brown finish while perfectly melting the cheese and cooking the toppings. There's no room for error. Every factor, from temperature to humidity, is monitored in real time to ensure that every pizza is baked to perfection. After baking, the journey is far from over. The pizzas then enter a rapid cooling system, often referred to as blast chilling. This stage is essential. It brings the pizza down to freezing temperatures in just minutes, locking in freshness and halting any bacterial growth, especially for frozen pizzas. This step is crucial for preserving both flavor and safety over extended storage times. Packaging is the final frontier. Pizzas that pass quality inspection are placed into branded boxes, often with printed inserts or instructions. For frozen varieties, an extra layer of vacuum-sealed plastic wrapping is added. This ensures that the product remains airtight and protected throughout its journey to grocery store shelves or wholesale distributors. The sealed and boxed pizzas are then loaded into massive cold storage rooms, waiting to be shipped across cities, countries, and even continents. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team of technicians, food scientists, and quality assurance specialists monitor every stage of the process. From the cleanliness of the machinery to the temperature of the oven, every parameter is scrutinized to meet strict federal regulations and industry standards. Hygiene, safety, and consistency are non-negotiable priorities. Modern pizza factories are truly marvels of innovation. They combine the best of traditional culinary wisdom with state-of-the-art machinery and automation. These facilities are capable of producing thousands of pizzas per hour without sacrificing quality. Whether it's a classic cheese pizza, a meat lover's feast, or a veggie-packed delight, the end result is the same: a delicious, ready-to-bake pizza that delivers on taste and texture every time. What makes this process even more fascinating is the continuous drive for improvement. Manufacturers constantly refine recipes, improve machines, and experiment with new topping combinations based on consumer feedback and market trends. Some factories even incorporate AI-powered sorting systems, robotic arms, and real-time analytics to enhance efficiency and minimize waste. And while all of this might sound like a far cry from the quaint pizza shops of Naples, it's all rooted in the same goal: to deliver delicious, satisfying food that brings people together. That's the magic of pizza. It transcends borders, languages, and cultures. Whether enjoyed at a family dinner, a party, or a late-night snack, pizza connects us in ways few other foods can. So the next time you grab a frozen pizza from the supermarket, remember, it's not just a quick meal. It's the result of a fascinating blend of tradition, technology, and culinary artistry. From the mixing of the dough to the final seal of the box, every pizza tells a story of global flavors, meticulous precision, and the love of good food. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey inside the world of factory-made pizza. We hope you now see this familiar favorite in a whole new light. If you enjoyed learning about the secrets behind mass pizza production, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes adventures in the world of food. Until next time, keep savoring every slice, because every bite has a story.